Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video I will discuss your biology unit 1, which is the living world, and in this part I will discuss about the lichen, virus and what is Viriods. So let's start. At first, what is lichen? So lichen, where the algae and fungi are present, forming a symbiotic association between them. The algal partner in that association is called phycobiont and the fungal partner is called mycobiont, and they form symbiotic association. What is symbiotic association? Algae help fungi in some ways, and fungi also do something for algae. That is called the symbiotic association. So they provide benefit to each other. Generally, the fungal partner occupies major portion, and that fungal partner or the fungi present in lichen is meant for the reproduction. And algal partner, as algae have photosynthetic pigments, they can do the photosynthesis. So algae prepare the food for the fungal partner. So in that way they help each other. Then characteristic of lichen. Lichens are a group of plants of composite thalloid nature because it is composed of algae and fungi. The algal partner produce carbohydrate through the process of photosynthesis, and the fungal partner absorb water and mineral from the soil and also do the reproduction. Based on the morphological structure, what is morphology? Morphology means the observable characters or the external character of an organism. They are of three types. Three types of lichens are crustose lichen, foliose lichen and fructicose lichen. So there are three types of lichen. One is crustose, which is a crust like. They attach on the rock surface in such a way that it looks like a crust and it looks like a rock. And foliose lichen, it is a leaf-like appearance of that lichen. Then what is fructicose lichen? It is like a small herb or a very small plant. Fructicose lichen appear like a small plant. Then lichen reproduce by three means: vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. One part gets detached and appear as a new lichen. Then decaying of older part. When the older part gets degraded, the newer part develop from the apical part. Then by soredia and isidia. Then asexual reproduction occur by forming the oidia. Then sexual reproduction occur by the formation of ascospore or basidiospore, and only the fungal component is involved in sexual reproduction. So when that fungal partner is a ascomycetes, they produce ascospore, and when it is in the group of basidiomycetes, they produce basidiospore. So ascomycetes and basidiomycetes both are a group of fungus. Then ascospores are produced in ascolichen. The male sex organ of lichen is flask shaped called spermogonium, produce spermacia. Then female sex organ called carpogonium differentiates into oogonium and elongated trichogyne. The fruiting body may be apothecia or perithecia. Ascae develop inside the fruiting body and contain 8 ascospore. After liberating from the fruiting body, ascospores germinate, and in contact with suitable algae, they form a new lichen. So in this way, the sexual reproduction occur in the lichen. Then basidiospores are produced inside the basidiolichen, look like a bracket fungi, and basidiospores are produced towards the lower side of fruiting body. The growth of lichen is very slow, and they can survive in adverse condition with high temperature and dry condition. Then after lichen, what is virus? Virus is derived from a Latin word which is venom. Virus means venom in Latin. And the study of virus is called virology. It is the one branch of microbiology. Microbiology deals with the study of microbes, which are very small and we can't see them in our naked eye. So virology is a branch of microbiology. And what is virus? It is derived from a Latin word virus, which means a poisonous fluid. Then are these viruses are living or dead? This is one debatable question in biology. They exhibit characteristics of both living and non-living things. So instead of defining them as living or non-living, they are simply defined as border between chemistry and life, or between living and non-living. Viruses are most abundant biological entities and are ubiquitous. They can infect every life form in existence and must have infected every extinct one too. One of the virus known as the tobacco mosaic virus was the first discovered virus by Voynich. Martinus Voynich discovered the tobacco mosaic virus in 1898. Remember this, the name of this virus, tobacco mosaic virus. Since then, about 7,000 types of viruses have been studied and well described. It is estimated that more than 100 million viral types may be present in nature, and most of them are unknown to us. Then these are some examples of viruses like influenza virus, which can cause cold, cough. Then herpes virus cause herpes, coronavirus, you well known about this. Then papilloma virus, enterovirus, flavivirus, orthopox virus. Then hepatitis virus cause the hepatitis. Then the structure of virus. So it is the detailed structure of virus. It has very simple design, and suppose one virus, it is a particular virus and it can cause a disease or infection, and this one particle is called virions. In general, a virion or a single virus consists of a genome. The viral genome is either DNA or RNA, and this genome is surrounded by a protein coat called capsid. And some viruses are externally also covered by a lipid bilayer membrane called envelope. Apart from this capsid, some viruses are externally covered by the envelope, and which is made up of lipid bilayer. So these are some shapes of viruses. It may be icosahedral, helical, or any complex structure. So they vary in their shape. Then what is Viriods? Viriods or viroids are small single-stranded circular RNA that are infectious pathogens. Unlike viruses, they have no protein coat. So the virus without protein coat is called viroids. Remember the term viroids. So it is all about your lichen, virus and viroids. In our next class, I will discuss some other topics which are present in your biology syllabus. So please stay tuned and enjoy my videos like this, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.